everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. In today's video, it's finally here. My makeup vanity tour slash laptop desk slash where I film slash my happy place. If you're excited to see what it looks like and how beautiful and glorious this thing is, I'm so proud of it. I love it, then definitely keep on watching.
This is just an overview of where I sit down and film and do my makeup and pretty much everything else. This is just kind of like my little happy place. So I wanted to show you guys where I film, what it looks like, and all products that are here, and I'll link them in the description box below. So in case you're interested and would like to purchase that too, if it's available, you're more than welcome to do so. But this is how it looks, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So right over here on the floor, ignore this, this is my floor cleaner. This right here is a stack of buckets, and these buckets I like to kind of have a bunch of products in for filming. So if I'm filming, this very top bucket example is all of the new makeup that I have to try with you guys on camera. Moving on to the actual like vanity spot. So these 5 drawers on either side, can't really see that one on that side, but the 5 drawer on this side, they're both from Michael's, which is a craft store. These are supposed to be for like scrapbook paper and all sorts of other stuff, but these are the dupes that a lot of people on YouTube have suggested to use. So that's what I did a couple years ago when I started to build this and I started to put it together. So I managed to create my whole little like vanity setup thing under like $150. So that was pretty neat and I enjoyed that. And since these are kind of short, they're not as tall as the IKEA ones, I had to build a little riser thing, so that's what I did. And then this top piece right here, the wood part, this is, I got from Lowe's or Home Depot, one of those, and it's actually a board for shelving, I believe. I will try and find it and link it in the description box. And then I covered it in a like little plastic film thing from Walmart. Ideally, I want to have this exact one right here on this side, but I don't have space on this side right here, so we are going to make it work. And then my rug is this fuzzy faux fur rug. It's almost like a blush pinkish kind of color. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can tell on camera. But I got this at Ross, and I don't think you can still find it there. You can probably find something similar online, but I got that there. And then my backdrop, of course, right here stays kind of behind me at all times. My chair's from Ross. It's just another like faux fur white chair. I wanted white to kind of match everything. This is my new blanket that I just got in a recent Amazon haul, so if you'd like to see that, I will definitely link it down below. And then I finally found a matching pillow. It is so soft and so cute. It fits. It's not too big. It's not too small. I love it. And then underneath here I have just a bunch of like trash. I've got recycle bins. I've got a bucket of wires on that side. I'm not going to really show it, but it's to hide all the wires. That plugs in the lamp, my ring light over there, and anything else. And then a bunch of little like cleaning wipes, that way I can clean my hands, my makeup vanity, and everything. So starting on this side, I'm not really going to open up each drawer individually. I'm just kind of going to overview of what's in there. If you'd like to see a detailed, like how I organize each drawer, how I like to, do any of that, let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely do that for you guys. But this top drawer has some extra beauty sponges, my primers, and my foundations and setting sprays. Then next is my bronzers, contours, and blushes. And then this middle drawer right here, I believe is empty. I think I cleaned this one out when I got my IKEA Alex drawers. Then these bottom 2 house some palettes. And then of course I have my planners. I plan out my weeks of videos and what I want to do. And then I have a bunch of lipsticks, but you can definitely still find them at the Dollar Tree. But they fit perfect and they do the job for now. And there's some on that side as well. And then I've got a bunch of like little decorations that some of them are like seasonal, so this one is not going to stay, it's just for fall. But I got this at the Dollar Tree. This was a gift and I got to paint it. It's a little piggy bank thing. This was from the Dollar Tree. This lights up. It is so cute. This is from the Dollar Tree as well. Notice how I love to shop there. But this is just a little like name plaque thing. You can use with dry erase markers and kind of write what you want and erase it off. This is actually from Christmas, but it's my letter and I think it looks cute and I like it, so it fits there. It's an ornament. And then the little frame is from Dollar Tree. It just has its little stand and then you can kind of place whatever picture you want there. And then next to that, I have a sticky note for some other stuff. Don't pay attention. But this is from Ross as well. You probably can't find that there just because it's been in probably like 3 or 4 years by now. But you can probably find something similar on Amazon or Ross, TJ Maxx, anywhere. And then I just added my own little blings because it was just plain white and I wanted something a little more pizzazz. So that houses all of my makeup brushes. And then I've got some extra makeup brushes here. These are from Shop Missy. And they have their own little house for them. Don't know where to put them. They just sit there. And then I have this cute little pumpkin. And that fits there. Moving on to the right side. I still have this lamp because I still need little charging ports. Until I figure out my situation a bit better and have more room, this will definitely be gone. I've got my portable ring light. I got 2 little chargers, some hair clips, another extra little charging block, and then some memory cards. I have my laptop here at all times, and then I have a wireless mouse to go with it, something cute, and it stays out of the way because this piece of wood, I believe it's like 50 something inches long. I know I upgraded it because this was a lot shorter when I first started, and then I wanted more space, so I will try and measure it and put it in the description box below for you guys. So on this side we have this same exact set amount of lipstick drawers. They have yet to be filled, and I have yet to fill them up because I'm always trying to clean out my area. But yeah, so I wanted the same amount here as well as on the other side to kind of balance it out. And then I added the little gems. They didn't come with that. I glued those on. And then, of course, more decor because I always have to have, like, little figurines, whether they be ceramic or whatever. So this will change. It says Welcome Fall. That's from the dollar store. I just like to have, like, little seasonal decor on my area just to make it feel like the seasons are changing and not just one bland thing all the time. This little unicorn is also from the dollar store. Mermaid tail is also from the dollar store. And then I put this sign in front of this sign, which is also from the dollar store. And then in the back is another coin bank, another present. And I painted that. It's a little lipstick. And then moving on to these set of drawers. So on this top drawer, I have mascaras, eyeliners / lip liners, and setting powders. And then next drawer, I've got highlighters. This drawer is empty, and I believe the rest of them down are empty. I used to have all my lashes in these couple of drawers here, but once I got this extra IKEA Alex one, I moved it all over so that way I could have more space here. I might move some palettes maybe down here. That way it kind of evens out from the other one over there. But I don't know yet. We'll see. And then moving on to the last part of my vanity. My newest little setup and beauty. And oh my god, I'm obsessed. So this is just kind of what I have on here. I know it looks crowded, but my intention is to have another one of these on that side. So that way it'll kind of, this will mimic over there. Or kind of like some of the stuff will move on that side. But for now, I am one less IKEA Alex drawer or stand thing, whatever you want to call it. Eventually, I will have this over there just in time, but it may look crowded. That's the dealio. Forgive me, but we're going to go ahead and kind of give you a little tour So back here is a little glass tray of little fake gems, another little unicorn which lights up, it's so cute, another one of those dry erase name markers, Eiffel Tower because I just love Paris and want to go. I just want to visit the Eiffel Tower. And then I've got a sort of like, it's not glass, but it's like this beaded, glittery Chanel bottle, perfume bottle thing. I thought it was so cute. And this whole thing used to sit right here until I got this stand and it moved over here. And then I've got a little canister, glass canister that I painted white, added pearls, and then house my scissors in there so when I need to cut something open, I have scissors handy. And then I found these mercury glass jars. It was perfect. I found 2 at the dollar store, so I bought those because I love them. I eventually want to move one to the other side when I get another one of these drawers. And then I just like to have some palettes on display. This is actually from the dollar store as well. This is, I want to say, like a book organizer, a magazine organizer or something. Anyways, I added some gems and some pearls to jazz that up a little bit. So I just have some palettes. I have the Makeup Revolution and Emily Noel collaboration called The Wants, Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and then the original Jaclyn Hill palette. I thought that kind of fit with like the theme of my room. It's neutral black and white. And then my AOA Studio handy dandy mirror that just kind of sits up top. I don't know where to put that thing. There, it'll do. And then this is my new little crystal fan that I showed in the Amazon haul. And this sits up top for now. Don't know where to put you, but just kind of sits there until it's got a permanent home. And then I've got my 2 lighters, using this one up until I can start using my rechargeable one, which is also from my Amazon haul, linked in the description box if you'd like to know. And then I have my candle here, but this is from Glade. It's the scent Vanilla, I think. I can't remember what it's called, but it's from Glade. And it's like a vanilla scent, but it's my favorite one. I had a little one. I finished that off, and I purchased the big one because I'm just obsessed. But anyways, moving on to the IKEA Alex drawers. It's the 9 drawer one, so that way it is much taller than my setup here. Top drawer is kind of just whatever. I have got my filming stuff, my rechargeable LED mirror, some other like extra ness. So that's just there. That's just a whatever drawer for now. And it's handy for whenever I sit down, I can reach it, grab what I need to film and whatever. And it's there. But pretty much all of these drawers are pretty much empty. I want to say this one's empty too, because I think I cleared it out. Yeah, okay, so that one's empty too. So it's just the very bottom 2, the bottom 2 that are housing all of my lashes. So there is no really organization to this. I try to organize it, but it's just a big old mess because I buy a bunch of lashes, and yeah, that's kind of what happens. And then finally on the side, I have my ring light kind of pushed in the back here out of the way.
Thank you guys so much for watching my makeup vanity tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you are interested in seeing every single drawer in detail and how I like to organize, how I like to decorate my area, anything and all having to do going into detail with this. Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to see you there, answer any questions, and of course make another video for you guys if that's something you're interested in. If not, then thank you again for watching this. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day and or week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.
If you would like to watch my previous video or be directed to the channel, click the links on your screen.